Hey guys, what's up? Hoodzie here. Today's video is going to be talking about some drone stuff, getting this thing to actually fly outside, even though there's snow outside, which is a little bit sus, but it'll be worth it. We're also going to do an oil change on my car because it's time for that, and I haven't quite done a Subaru oil change in years. So if you're wanting to come along, let's go. So the plan today is to go to Napa right now, drop my sister off downtown, get some oil, get a filter, and I think go and do the car first, and then go and get this thing to fly. I'm a little bit scared because it's so snowy out, but we got props. We actually have only 3 props. Gotta go and grab one more because 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hopefully it'll fly. It all checks out in the software. We'll also go in a little bit into beta flight and talk about how the brain for this quad works, because it's pretty simple, but yeah. Here, you want to vlog?
Yeah, hey guys, we're going to the library, and Ethan, he's just going to Napa. This is
Napa
weird.
Valley
He's going to Napa.
Works.
I got my nails done. They're kind of cute. Yeah. This is a nice quality camera.
Yeah. Where's this device?
Oh, we are drifting.
For reference, we own this road, so we can do it legally.
Because I have online school. He's gonna cut this all out, but maybe he'll watch it. Hi, Ethan.
Gonna grab this, and if you have an 06 Subaru Outback oil filter.
Okay.
I'm excited. Are you excited? Oh my god, it looks like, oh.
What did you think it'd be?
It looked like a moisturizer container when you twist the top, but it's more boring than that.
It's more boring.
Yeah.
Well, my Subaru will like this a lot. And now to go to the RC room. So last night I got all of the actual programming, fingers crossed, done with this now. And it arms, it turns on, I have a beeper and a safe mode for auto leveling. Because for most drones like this, you fly without stabilization because it's more fun. There's other reasons too, of course. And now I'm gonna just time lapse me putting on the props that I've got over here and do a little hover test here in the basement. In my haste to complete this, when I was all excited of getting it put together, I did omit these battery straps right here, which when you want to have your battery actually stay on the quadcopter is kind of important. So I'm going to take off the 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and open up the entire quadcopter once again. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it's the last time. And now I gotta find some Velcro to put onto the battery.
That was fun.
Well, let's think now. I'm gonna go do my oil change now, though, to have fun. Yes, boxer engine. If I recall, it's a 19 mil. We'll find out.